Night, Carnation Boss here. Now, a message for the government in regards to our roads in Jamaica. Now, I must admit, there have been many improvements. Slow, hard, dusty, but there has been improvements. However, so we make improvement and so we take a step back. So, I'm giving the government some advice. Government, we need to have policy that stop water commission effective immediately now from refraining to dig up any road without authorization from the work agency. 1 and 2, they shall not be allowed to do any repair on them own without the work agency, because the water commission, when them dig up the roads, brand new roads that are being built, the repairs that they do to the road are very primitive, backward, outdated, and all happen is just good roads destroyed and gone bad, become horrible. And we have seen it time and time again all over the island. I never want to be specific to know it. I see it going on in my community all over the place. Water commission are destroying good roads and they are poorly repaired. 3, we need to change our development policy. As of now, government, no road shall be built with pipelines underneath the road. The pipeline should be under the sidewalk, to the side of the road, in culverts, somewhere, but not under the road, similar to what was done to Mandela Highway. Because this is counterproductive to put the pipes under the road. We know them gone burst or need repair, then we dig up the roads to fix the pipe. It need to stop. And 4thly, any road that have certain amount. And 4thly, government, 4thly and finally, any road with certain amount of potholes within a certain square mileage or square meter or whatever measurement that is appropriate to be selected must not be patched. It must be resurfaced. Patching within a certain squareage from each other is counterproductive. It makes the road even worse, horrible, and it only goes bad in a short space of time. So please, government, take these recommendations and implement them. Carnation Boss here, saying peace, I'm out.